Greetings, and welcome to another episode of Logos Grammar. Today we're gonna talk about simple future tense. In particular, about its grammatical side. In a nutshell, simple future is used to express our predictions. We'll talk about the ways we can use it in the next video. How do we use it? It's pretty simple. First comes the subject, followed by will, which is the auxiliary verb in simple future, followed by the verb. For example, I will tell you what happened, but only if you don't laugh. One day, I will live in the palace and have many servants around me. We often contract will. The most popular contraction forms are I will, I'll, you will, you'll, he will, he'll, she will, she'll, it will, it'll, we will, they will, they'll. In questions, will goes before the subject. Will you help me or what? Where will you go if you need money? Will they resign if you ask them? And in negative, we use will not, or its contraction won't. For example, I won't tell anyone, don't worry. He won't be there, he has called in sick. Go to the kitchen. Those dishes won't wash themselves. If the grammatical part is clear, let's jump to the video about when to use simple future tense. Stay tuned.